Half marathon na yan. Good to go. Hey guys, what's new? We're going to our RUNRIO Trilogy final leg. And here it is, the taxi. See you later.
We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go.
Zumba time.
We got one question for 21K runners though. Are you ready to run? 20 seconds. Question. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 21K!
Good luck, man. So good na. Start. Kilometer 1. Refill. Ha! Kilometer 2. Kilometer 3. Doing great. Kilometer 4. Woo! Kilometer 5. Kilometer 6. Kilometer 7. Still feeling great. Kilometer 8. Whew, hapit na dyan. Great yapon. Straight kong dagan ba? Wako'y lakaw. Kilometer 9. Great yapon.
Wapay laspag.
Wapay laspag. Kilometer 10. Turning point. Back to Ayala. Kilometer 11. Right. Kilometer 12. Namahon ako. Fast. Kilometer 13. Woo! Kilometer 14. Kilometer 15. Feeling great. Kilometer 16. Kilometer 17. Kilometer 18. Kilometer 19. Yummy.
Ay.
Oh. 20 kilometers. Kilometer 20. Nice ang dagan. Enjoy. We're about to finish the marathon. Half marathon. Enjoy.
Watching it end. Feel it in waves you follow me. Drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go.
Finally! We
21
survived! 3 races, no?
3 races. Thankful to God. Nga nahuman sa taon ako. Dogan ko dyan. Muna yung fun part after marathon, half marathon. Makakuha tag mga freebies.
Tara, small.
Thank you.
And that's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Thank you for watching. And see you on our next video.
Marathon.
If you don't like,
Subscribe. If you do like,
subscribe.
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 Ciao.